In this video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your Brother MFC-J1360DW printer. So in case you get a paper jam error on the display over here, there's a few places we can check for the stock paper. When this is happening to you, the first thing you need to do is to unplug the printer from the power source. So go on the side, and even if the printer is turned on, simply pull the plug. You don't want to stick your finger in the printer while it's connected. Next, the first place I suggest you check is the paper input. So you're going to pull this drawer, and you can pull it completely out. Alright, and now tilt the printer slightly this way. You see over here, there's a good chance that the paper got stuck when it was trying to get inside of the printer itself. And maybe it came out crooked, okay? And these are the rollers that are picking your paper. Check over here, and if you see any stuck paper, go ahead and remove it with your finger or with a pair of tweezers. Now, since we're over here, I want to show you something else. You can remove the paper output, okay, this tray, simply by pulling it out. It's made to be pulled out, by the way, you won't break anything. And now, if we look again, you're going to find these two green tabs right over here. What you need to do is to pinch them, okay, the way I just did, and it will release, okay, this, I don't know how you call this panel. Take a look over here, and if there is any stuck paper, again, go ahead and remove it with your fingers or a pair of tweezers. The paper, basically what it does is that it gets picked up by these rubber rollers. It goes around this panel over here and it comes out on the top. So the paper should be somewhere over here. Once you're done, don't forget to put this in place. And now you can also go on the back of the printer if you didn't find any paper jam. And from here, you may have to pinch this small door to be able to open it. And now take a look over here. There's a good chance that if you didn't find any stuck paper where I showed you first, you may see some bits and pieces over here. So go ahead and remove anything that got stuck. Once you're done and once you have found the paper jam and you cleared it, you can simply go and reconnect the printer to the power source. Usually after doing this, it will power on by itself, right? You see the screen came on, and the error will clear by itself because it will notice that there's no issues at all and the paper jam is gone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, take a moment and comment down below. Subscribe, like, and if you have more time and you want to get some ink for your printer for this specific model or some paper, I'll put links towards Amazon. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.